Alright, so I hit the jackpot. Okay, here he is. I don't know if you can see him. That's an eagle right there. I have to use my wide angle, so I hope the picture's going to be clear enough. I'm going to get a little closer. Okay, so here we go. We have an eagle's nest not too far from here. So there are a lot of eagles, and they love hanging out on this dead tree. That's like one of their favorite spots. I don't know if you can make them out. I don't know how good this camera is. I'm going to try and get a little closer. All right, there he is. I could see his white head. I don't know what you can make out.